Reena from Mrs. Reena's Cocoon. Hope you and your little one are fine at home, right? Yes, I welcome you all for our Day 18 English online reading class, and today's topic is how to make our kids join CVC words, join consonant, vowel and consonant words. So to make our children read I vowel consonant combination, that's I vowel CVC word, we need to recap day 10th class. In our day 10th class, I taught you how to make our children read joining I vowel along with a consonant. Here you have the sound of I is E and sound of B is B. So ask your child to join together like E, B. Now ask them to say little faster, E, B. Faster, E, B, E, B, Ib. The same way you can make them join each consonant along with the vowel. E, K. Now faster, I, K, ik, ik. I, D, id. I, G, ig. I, N, in. I, P, ip. I, T, it. Once your child is thorough joining these two combination, vowel and consonant combination, you can start introducing three-letter words, CVC words using I vowel. The first one which I am going to select, that's in words. E, N, sound of I and N together, E, N, in. Now let me join a consonant along with this. This is P. The sound of P, it is P, in. Now ask your child to join together. P, in, pin. Like that. When you are introducing CVC words, especially I vowel words, you can introduce as many as words possible, so that our kids will be thorough reading three-letter words. The next one is I, N, in. Along with this, I am adding T, T, in. T, in. Tin, tin. Now, B, in. Bin. Please split like this. Ask your child to read separately. B and then together in. Bin. Like that. If you ask them to read little faster, the concept of reading will be clear. The next one is F, in. Fin. Now let me take ig words. I, G. I and G together, it's ig. Now let me join a consonant. It's B, ig. B, ig. It's big. Again, a consonant, it's a F and ig. F, ig, fig. B, ig, big. F, ig, fig. And the next one is W, the sound of W, that's W consonant. W and ig together. W, ig, wig. While teaching three-letter words, you can just tell them the meaning of it. Meaning that you can make sentence with these words. That's going to be really helpful for our child to easy to read when you are giving a paragraph. The next combination of words are ip words. Ip words. Okay, when you join a consonant along with this ip, a L and ip together, L, ip, lip, Z and ip, zip, and hip, hip, hip. And the next combination is it words. It's ending with it sound. CVC words ending with it sound. That's k, it, kit, s and it, sit, sit, s, it, sit, k, it, kit, like that. If you make your child like this, they'll learn a little faster. And the next one is f and it together, f, it, fit, fit, h and it, hit. Clear? Okay. Now let's see the next combination, that's ib words. E and b together, it's ib. Ib. And I join a consonant. B, ib, bib. B, ib, bib. R, ib, r and ib, rib. N and ib, n, ib, nib. Now this is the last combination, I and D combination, that's id words. Let's see that. E and D, I and D. When you join the sound of I and D, the sound of I is E and sound of D is T. Together it's id. And I join a consonant in front of it. K, 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 id, k, id, kid, k, id, kid, right? H and it together, h, id, hid, and l, id, lid. When you are introducing CVC words using I vowel, you can introduce as many as words possible. So friends, hope this video is going to be a helpful one for you to make your child read CVC words using I vowel. I'll see you all in my next video. Till that, take care. Bye bye.